under the following topics: word processors, desktop publishing, spreadsheets, databases, internet and email, data security and controls. Hello, welcome to Form 2 Computer Studies. We shall learn more about computer studies through a series of lessons under the following topics: word processors, desktop publishing, spreadsheets, databases, internet and email, data security and controls. Hello, welcome to Form 2 Computer Studies.
Word processors. Assume you visited a meteorological station and your teacher has asked you to gather information to guide you develop a weather project in your community. Write a report of the trip using the following heading: the trip to the meteorological station. The teacher has also asked you to include the following subheadings in your report: weather instruments, weather elements, and weather forecasting. You are supposed to make your report as attractive as possible by incorporating tables, pictures, and other features of your own choice. You may use different colors and both capital and small letters to make your report more appealing. This is an example of a handwritten report. Some people use a word processor is application software that enables a person to create, edit, manipulate objects and pictures, and print text documents. Word processors are specialized programs that allow you to change the look and feel of a text document. The programs include tools that help you to create documents by inserting tables and photographs, among many other features. In this lesson, you will learn how to use a word processor to create a more attractive document with ease. Advantages of a word processor. Compared to a typewriter and other document creating tools, a word processor has a number of advantages that include storing documents electronically for future reference in computer files that are space effective, automating tasks such as insertion of a new page after reading the end of the current page and word wrap, editing tools such as spelling and grammar checkers which help the user correct grammar and spelling mistakes with ease, printing facilities that allow you to produce many copies of the same document, formatting to produce neat documents, and easily inserting or replacing a word without affecting the neatness of a document. Examples of word processors include MS Word, Corel Word Perfect, Lotus Army Pro, OpenSpace, and WordStar. We shall use MS Word because it's the most commonly used word processor. Click on Start button at the bottom left-hand corner of your computer. Point at all programs. Select Microsoft Office. A blank Microsoft Word window pane appears. The following are the features of Microsoft Word application window. Title bar shows the title of the document that is being processed. It comprises of 3 tiny buttons: Minimize, Restore, and Close. Menu bar shows commands that one can use to perform a task. Toolbars are rows of buttons or icons that represent commands. The most common toolbars are the standard toolbar and the formatting toolbar. Rulers. The Microsoft window pane has vertical and horizontal on-screen rulers. Work area. Text and graphical objects are entered here. Status bar is an interactive strip at the bottom of the screen that acts as a communicative link between the user and the program. It displays interactive activities like saving and opening. Features of a word processor. Word processor features allow the user to editing. Editing means making necessary changes to your weather report. The more you read your report, the more you may find that you need to make necessary changes to make it more focused. Selecting. Always select text before editing or formatting the text. To select a word, place the insertion pointer on the word and then double-click it. Using Find and Replace feature. Aim. To replace the text Weather Instruments with Weather Apparatus in the weather report. To find the text Weather Instruments, activate the Find and Replace dialog. Key in the text Weather Instruments in the Find What box. Select the option you want from reading, highlight, click on OK button. To replace Weather Instruments with Weather Apparatus, key in Weather Apparatus in the Replace With box. Spelling and grammar checking. To check spelling and grammar, click Tools menu. Click on Spelling and Grammar on the drop-down menu. In the Spellings and Grammar dialog box that appears, check the highlight words and replace with the correct words in the lower pane of the dialog box by choosing one of the following buttons. Change to correct only the highlight incorrect word. Change all to correct all the occurrences of the misspelled word. Ignore to retain the highlighted and continue. Ignore all to retain all the occurrences of the same word. Lastly, click Add to add the word into the custom dictionary. Thesaurus. Using the thesaurus helps you to add precision and variety to your writing. Microsoft Word Thesaurus provides synonyms and sometimes antonyms for a particular word. It also provides lists of related words and different forms of the selected word. For example, to find an alternative to the word teach, select teach. Click the Tools menu and choose Language, then select Thesaurus. The Thesaurus dialog box appears with alternative words to teach. Formatting. Formatting refers to applying various features to enhance the document's appearance. The three main formatting styles are text, paragraph, and page formatting. Applying drop caps. To apply a drop cap, position the insertion point in paragraph 1. Click on Format or Insert button on the menu bar. Click on Drop Cap and select the appropriate drop cap. Applying drop caps. To apply a drop cap, position the insertion point in paragraph 1. Click on Format or Insert button on the menu bar. Click on Drop Cap and select the appropriate drop cap. Using the Drop Caps Options feature, select the size of your drop cap and the amount of space between the dropped capital letter and the text in the paragraph. Applying drop cap. Page formatting. Page layout. From File menu, choose Page Setup. The Page Setup dialog box appears. Click on the Layout tab. From the Vertical Alignment tab, select the alignment required, then click OK. Columns. Highlight the text to which you want to create columns. From the Format menu, click Columns. The Columns dialog box appears. In the Columns dialog box, select the number of columns. In the Width and Spacing boxes, specify the column width and space between columns. Margins. To set up margins, click the File menu, then Page Setup. The Page Setup dialog box appears. Click Margins tab. Enter the values for the left, right, top and bottom margins in the respective boxes. Click OK. Orientations. To select orientation, from File menu, choose Page Setup. Click the Paper Size tab. From the dialog box, select the orientation required, then click OK. Paper size. Mail merge is a very useful tool in MS Word. It's used to address a document to multiple recipients without need for retyping. The three main components of mail merged are main document or primary document, address list, and the merged document. Printing. Align the document you want to print to have the layout suitable to you. Click the Start button and select Settings. Click Printers. A dialog box showing all printers appears. Click on the appropriate printer and print. The printer prints your document as shown. Printing. Align the document you want to print to have the layout suitable to you. Click the Start button and select Settings. Click Printers. A dialog box showing all printers appears. Click on the appropriate printer and print. The printer prints your document as shown.